Okay, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix, and today's video, we're going to be getting back onto the CB band 27 megahertz, doing a little band scan and listening to some skip rolling in, and that's coming up next. Okay, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix, and if you follow this channel, you know we're big into CB radio, and we're even bigger into skip. So when the skip rolls in, we like to copy it and see what's going on the CB40. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to fire up the President Thomas FCC AM/FM CB radio. We're going to do a band scan right here in New York City, see what's cooking on the band, see what kind of skips rolling in. And so we're going to do a little bit of skip clipping and band scanning. How about that? Let's check it out. Got some skip rolling in from Dominican Republic. Alright, we got Miami in the box. How about it, Miami, Florida? You got a copy on 640? You can hear the Dominican Republic in the background and the guy in the state of Florida much louder. Alright, let's spin the dial. Let's see what we can find on AM. Guys are stepping on each other. Channel 11's a mess. You know it, the Super Bowl.
I just eased back on the Eastern Seaboard. It's morning time, my friend. 411 in Maryland. Marshall Dillon over here in the Hog Yards waving.
Canton, Maryland.
Again, 327, you know who it is. One shot, one kill, way down south in Alabama. Say good day, good day.
21's popping.
One shot, come on.
How about a one-shot Alabama? You got a copy on 640?
Oh, Bigfoot in the big old truck. One shot, one kill in Alabama. What's up?
Okay, there you have it. Some skip clips and some band scanning. Some clipping and scanning on the CB 27 megahertz band with the President Thomas FCC AM FM CB radio. We copied some skip from Alabama. We copied some skip from Miami, Florida coming in loud. And we also copied some weak skip coming in from the Dominican Republic in the Caribbean. So get onto the CB band, get onto the CB40, see what kind of skips coming in on AM. Check your FM if you have. Let's get some FM going. See if we get some FM skip. I'm still after that elusive FM skip, but I'm going to catch it. You'll see. And of course, as always, on sideband, on SSB. Keep an ear out for the skip. Report back to 640 AM The Mix and tell us all about it. Comment below, like it, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time right here on 640 AM The Mix. Don't forget, check the description for the final word on skipping, clipping, and scanning. Thanks for watching, everyone.